Hey guys, Joe Spice making I bought a box of NXT. I don't really follow NXT, but whatever. I bought a box of Artifacts Hockey, SP Game Used Hockey, and a leather and jumbo baseball. And then I got a couple free packs. The two autographs that I pulled were from the free packs are Darren Helm out of 50. So Darren Helm out of 50. Come on. And Andre Cassie out of 50. So I guess that could be better, but it is what it is. So those are the free packs. Now I will do the SP Game Used. I'll do the real quick to get over done with, and then the bigger boxes, it'll take a while, so I might do a part 2. I don't know, depending on how much time I have left. But come on. So SP Game Used, I got it's just one pack. So first card out of 165, Kevin Hayes, out of 165. 39, no, not jersey number. Oh, that's sick. Number 5 of 8, TJ Miller, base card out of 8. Wow, that's rare. That might be worth something. I don't know yet. Autograph, not numbered, I don't think, of Thomas Chabot. A jersey, I pulled this guy's autograph in the last box. Nicholas Buden. This guy's cool. Authentic rookie jersey of Chase Penske. And a jersey of John Carlson. So that base out of 8 might be worth something. I don't know yet, because short print, it might be worth something. So SP Game Used, done. Artifacts, I'll do this one real quick, because there's quite a few packs. Then I'll do the lumber and whatever. Oh, this one won't open for some reason. There we go. Okay, now I see why it won't open. There we go. So, Artifact. Let's see what I get. Huberto. That's cool. Rookie dual patch, numbered 3 of 49, Josh Norris. Really nice Josh Norris dual patch. I think one of the better rookies to hit, I think. Base. Well, so far so good. Good dual patch. Rookie. I don't know if he's good, but from what I hear, Scotty Arena always. Oh, sorry, just got a text. I'll get it later. Second pack. Pierre-Luc Dubois. Spectrum Aurum. Timothy Lingram. I heard those are pretty good. Base, okay. Brent Burns. Rookie out of 299, Jake Evans. Base, okay. Decoys. Love these decoys. I don't, but you know what I mean. So, cool. Josh Norris dual patch out of 49. Not bad, I guess. Base. Artifacts out of 399. Nicholas Buden again. Holy shit. This guy's haunting me. Buden again. I bought 3 boxes and 3 Budens. Also out of 399, Nico Horn-Osher. 399, not bad. Decoys. All right, this one is numbered out of 75. A Timo Meier. Short print, sort of. Two more packs. Yep, 2 more packs. And I think I'm still getting one more hit, I think. Oh, I got a rookie redemption for the Winnipeg Jets. I don't know who that is, but... And then base cards. I don't know who that rookie redemption would be for the Winnipeg Jets. Who knows? And then last pack would be... Oh, there's my... No autographs. None. Bit of a bust. This would be a jersey. Mika Jimenez. So no autographs in this pack. That was terrible. Unless that redemption might be an autograph. I don't know. So, how much time do I got left here? I'll do the other 2 boxes in another video. Alright guys, peace.